Okay guys, so for this video, I just want to touch on this one topic, which is this idea of settling. Oftentimes we're advised that we shouldn't settle, whether it's in our business, our relationships, our investments, whatever it may be. And although I agree with that idea, don't miss out on your blessing because you're too busy being afraid of this idea of settling. So for instance, I love to use my studio as an example. Whenever people come in here and we talk about the space, the one thing I always do is I always show them the before videos and the before pictures. And I don't do that to get a wow factor, but I use that as a testimony to show you that sometimes when you ask for things, it may not come packaged the way that you want it. So based on that, when I went shopping around, I was looking at multiple places. And when I came to tour the studio space that I'm at right now, my cousin who came with me was like, nah, this ain't it. You could ask her in the comments. But seriously, when we came in here, there was so much going on, but it had the three things that I wanted. And I always use this story as an example because sometimes when we pray for things, God will give us exactly what we need. It just may not be packaged the way that we see fit. So I could have missed out on this blessing of the studio space because, oh, it had too much going on, oh, it had this, it had that, or I couldn't see the vision of what it could be if I put in work into it. But I allowed myself to look at it from a clear vision because I understood it had all the three things that I said that I needed, not what I wanted, the three things that I needed, and I was able to take this space, to take down some walls, do some painting, do this and do that. I was able to turn this studio into the studio that I dreamed of. Oftentimes we will get exactly what we prayed for. Oftentimes we'll be put in positions that we've been seeking, but because it's not packaged the way that we want it to look, we think that we're settling if we go with it. Take the word settle out. Actually align yourself with the things that you are looking for, the things that you hope to have. And although it may not come packaged the way that you expect it to be, you just never know what blessing is in store for you.